Continue our same chapter, and the next point I'm going to teach you is concurrent line and point of concurrence. Concurrent line and point of concurrence. Now you can see the first point, that is an infinite number of lines can be drawn through one point. एक point से, I have that also explained you, one point, with one point you can draw infinite lines. See here, I have drawn one point. So many lines are going through a single point, and so many lines, that means it is a infinite line. Now second main thing what you have to learn, what is concurrent line and what is point of concurrence. What is point of concurrence? Now what is concurrence line? You can see over here. When two or more lines passes through the same point, they are called concurrent line. Concurrent line means what? जब दो से तीन, दो तीन चार, जो भी कुछ लाइन एक पॉइंट से पास होता है, that line is what? That line is our concurrent line. Now see, I will show you through a figure. See, this is one point. This line, this line, this line, एक point से ही पास हो रहा है, दो लाइन, तीन लाइन, चार लाइन. So this line is called as concurrent line. ये line को क्या बोलते हैं? Concurrent line. This line is called as concurrent line. Clear? See, whatever, when two or more line passes through a point, एक point से जब पास हो रहा है दो और तीन लाइन, that same point से जो पास होता है, that is called as concurrent line. And ये जो point है बीच का, ये जो common point है, ये जो एक common point है जिससे lines passes हो रही है, that point is what? That point is our point of concurrence. That point is what? That point is our point of concurrence. So very easy. 1 point, 2, 3 lines are passing. That line is called as concurrent line. और जो point होता है वो कौन सा point होता है? That is our point of concurrence. That is our point of concurrence. Now you can see over here. See, one more example I will tell you. See, this is point A. Is it clear? This is point A. Now I pass one line, two line, three line. Now I have given this line as name A, B, C. मैंने इस लाइन को क्या नाम दिया? A, B, C. Wait, I just change this name. This is our D. Now this line is passing through one single point. Is it clear? एक single point से वो pass हो रहा है. So this A, B, C, ये जो line A, B, C है, that is what? Now tell me the answer in the chat box. This line A, line B, and line C. This line is passing through a same point. That ABC is what? That ABC is what? Line A, line B, and line C. Very good. That ABC is our concurrent line. Is our concurrent line. Now, what is point of concurrence here? Point of concurrence क्या है इस diagram में? In this diagram, what is our point of concurrence? Very good, very nice. Our point of concurrence is our D. Is our D. D is what? Our point of concurrence. क्योंकि वो single point से 4-5 लाइन ड्रॉ हो रहे हैं, तो वो single point को क्या बोलेंगे हम? Point of concurrence. And ABC is what? Our ABC is our concurrence line. ABC is what? ABC is our concurrence line. Is it clear, everyone? Okay. Here you are going to identify the following figure. Now you are going to identify this figure, which type of figure it is, which type of figure it is. Now my first figure, which is this figure, which is this figure, first figure, tell me fast. Very good, Abhay, Durva, very nice. This is what? This is our intersecting line. When one line cut with other line, when one line cut with other line, that line is what? That is our intersecting line. Very good. Okay, now I want the second answer from your side. What is this? Which, identify this figure. Very good. This is our parallel line. This is what? This is our parallel line. Very nice. Now next third figure. Identify the third figure. Very good. This is also our parallel line. No, Janvi, it is not intersecting line. Intersecting line में मैंने क्या बताया था? When one line cut with other line. यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? It is not cutting. So it is what? It is our parallel line. Very nice. That is our parallel line only. So the first figure is intersecting line. Second is parallel line. And the third one is also our parallel line. Okay. Okay. Now we are going to start with our problem set 1. Now problem set 1, first question is, look at the figure alongside and name the following. These figures you are going to look it out, and what you are going to write? You are going to answer whatever asked over there. Now first question is, you're going to identify the collinear point. Now collinear point, I have explained you that the collinear point lie on a single straight line. So what is your collinear point? What is your collinear point in this figure? Very good. You are giving the right answer. Other student also? Very good. Others? Very nice. What is the collinear point over here? Very nice. Collinear means a single. Now you can see over here, this is our okay. Now you can see over, this is our single straight line. इसमें कितने points हैं? M, O, T. So this is our first collinear point. This is our first collinear point, that is M, O, T. So how you are going to write? You are going to write. See, this is way there are some rules and regulations which you have to follow for writing the max. So this is point. So you will write point M, comma O, comma T. Is it clear? Point M, comma O, comma T. So first collinear point we got. अभी ऐसे ही second, there is another collinear point in this figure. Now identify and tell me the other collinear point. Other, find it. Very good. Soham, very nice. Arnav, very nice. Archana, very good. Kinjal, Shrishti, Harshal, very nice. Lalit, everyone is giving the right answer. Another collinear point I am telling you. See this second line. This line, straight line hai ye. There are 3 points also. R, O, N. So how you are going to write? No, only R, O, N. That is not a right answer. I have explained you how you are going to write. You will write point, because this is point. If you miss this point, half marks will be deducted. Point Capital hai, so you will write capital only. If small letter is there, you will write small. Point R, comma O, comma N. Is it clear? See, the way you are writing, it contain each and every sentence contain marks. If you miss anything, marks will be deducted. So properly you have to write all the necessary things. So point R, comma O, comma N. Is it clear? Okay. Now first, only there are two collinear point or more collinear point? दो है या दो से ज्यादा है? टेल मी. Is there more collinear point? If we see this one, this is not a straight. ये straight नहीं है. Is it clear? So straight was there only two. This one and this one. Is it clear? So what is this? But it is not straight. But what is this? POS is what? POS is what? Ray? No. POS. If it is not a collinear point, what is this? Very good, Srishti. It is non-collinear point. Very good, Dhruvi. It is non-collinear point. I told na, non-collinear point are not in a straight line. So ये straight line पे नहीं है. It is having 3 point also. POS. तो ये क्या है हमारा non-collinear point. Is it clear? Okay, now we will move for the next question. Now, second one was you are going to identify the ray. Ray, I told you, ray means what? One dot, line, arrow. This is what? This is our ray. Now, fast, I want answers of ray. Just tell me fast. No, there should not a comma. There should not a comma. Very nice. Everyone is giving the right answer. Very nice. So, how you will write? You will write. Just see first how you are going to write it down. रे, रे लिखना है, हाँ, कंटेंट मार्क्स. रे O M. Then next will be ray O R. Now next will be very nice. O R के बाद I want next O R के बाद O S. Very good. Next O after O S. Very good. O T. Very nice. Next O N. Very nice. Next O P. Next. Next is there. Next is there. O after OP is next ray is there. No. Very good. So total there are how many rays? Count and tell me. Total there are how many rays? Very good. Total there are 6 rays. Total there are how many rays? Total there are 6 rays. 6 rays. Okay, now next is third. What we are going to do? We are going to find out what is line segment. Now, what is line segment in this figure? You are going to tell me the answer. I want the answers from your side. Very nice. What is the line segment? Look this figure. Line segment is what? Very good. Empty. Very nice. First line segment is empty. Okay. Another. This is our first line segment. Empty. Okay. Next. Very good. R, N. Very nice. R, N also. Next. Very good. OP. Very nice. RN. Yes. OP, ON, very good. OS, very nice. Another more answer or 2-3 line segment are remaining. OS is also line segment. ON is also line segment. OP is also our line segment. OR is our line segment. Very good. Very nice. Very good. That means this all MT, OR, OS, OT, ON, OP, RN. This is all our line segment. So what you are going to write? How you are going to write line segment? You are going to write like this. See, segment MT. Segment लिखना है because what we are finding? We are finding line segment. Point nahi. We are finding line segment. So you have to mention. जैसे in our previous we have find out ray. So we have written ray. So ऐसे ही यहाँ पे हमको क्या लिखना है? Segment. Next is segment OM. Then segment OR. Then segment OS. Segment OT. Very nice. Segment ON. Segment OP. And segment RN. Clear? These are the segment. Line segment we have identified. Now, next fourth one is you have to identify lines. अभी line क्या है? Tell me. In this figure, line. Yeah, line. How you are going to identify? Very good, Ashutosh. Line empty. Very good, Aditya. Only written line. Line ka name. Very nice. So there are total how many lines in this figure? In this figure, total how many lines are there? No, Anshika. There is no 6 lines. Very good, Durve. There are 2 line segments. There are 2 line segments. There are only 2 line segments. That is first line empty. And other क्या है? जल्दी बताओ. What is the other line segment? Very good, Ishwari. That is line R N. Line R N. There are only 2 line segments. Is it clear? So we have done with line segment also and line also. Okay. Now question number 3, you are going to match the following. Chalo, fast. First answer. First figure is what? Very good. The first figure is our line. Very good. Very good. Now second क्या है हमारा figure? Which is our second answer? What is our second answer? Very good, Aradhya. That is our very good. That is our line segment. Very nice. What is our third answer? Third answer. Very nice. Our third answer is plain. Our third answer is plain. And last one is what? Last answer is our ray. Very nice. Last is our ray. So first is our line. Second figure is our line segment. Third figure is our plane. And fourth figure is our ray. Okay. So we have done with the question number 3 also. Now we will move for next question. Now this is very easy. I taught you also. Huh? So our fourth question. Now this fourth question, who is going to read it for me? Now I'll unmute one person. Krutika. Krutika, I have unmuted you.
Observe the figure below. Name the parallel lines, the concurrent lines, and the points of concurrence in the figures.
Very good. Mute yourself, beta. Okay, now here you are going to observe the figure. Figures को बराबर से देखो. Now you are going to tell me the name of parallel line, concurrent line, and the points of concurrence. One by one only. First, observe the figures. चलो, 1 minute you are going to observe it. ध्यान से देखो सारे figures को. Observe it properly. Afterward, you will tell me the answer. Is it clear? Now I am going to ask you. Now you are going to tell me the answer. Okay, you have observed. Okay. Now first you are going to tell me the parallel line. Parallel line I have explained you. Now what is your parallel line? Which is our parallel line over here? Very good. First, D. Parallel line. So how you will write? Line. We are not going to use the word parallel. We are going to use line B. Now see, this is the symbol of parallel line. ये जो दो लाइन हम ड्रॉ करते हैं, ये किसका सिंबल है? पैरेलल लाइन का. जैसा प्लस का सिंबल this is minus symbol. So parallel symbol is like this. So line B किससे पैरेलल है? लाइन M से. And M is parallel to line Q. M is parallel to line Q. So in this way, you are going to write the answer. Line B parallel to M, parallel to Q. Now, what is the second parallel line over here? हमने first तो identify किया. Now, second parallel line. Tell me fast. What is the second parallel line? Observe करो. What is our second parallel line? Very good, Janvi. You have written the right answer. That is line A. A का जैसा ही और एक किधर है line? B. So which line? Line A parallel to line P. A parallel to line P. Okay. Now we have done with our parallel line. Now second, important. Now you are going to identify the concurrent line. Chalo jaldi, what in this figure? Tell me the concurrent line. Concurrent line means when one point से बहुत सारे lines जब cut होते हैं, so that is our concurrent line. So here, how many concurrent line are passing through one single point? Very good. Line A is our concurrent line. Next B. Very good. C. P. Very good. Q. Very nice. See in this figure only. So line, which line? A. Line B. Line C. Line P. And line Q. See, line A, line B, line C, line P, and line Q are our concurrent line. Now, last point of concurrence. What is our point of concurrence? Very good. Point of concurrence is A. Very good. A and C है क्या? C is our point of concurrence. Yes or no? No. Very good. C is not our point of concurrence. Why? Because only one line is passing through C. एक ही line pass हो रही है. 2, 3, 4 नहीं. Only one this line and this line. 2 lines are only passing. So this is not our concurrent line. So this is not our point of concurrence. So point of concurrence is which point? Point A and point D. Point लिखना है. Is it clear? Point A and point D is our concurrent. No, is our point of concurrence. Is our point of concurrence. Is it clear? So we have done with question number 4 also. You people have told me the answer of parallel line, concurrent line, and also the point of concurrence also. Also the points of concurrence. So here we have done with our first chapter. We have completed it.